How to fix WhatsApp voice note not playing on iPhone. Having trouble listening to voice notes on WhatsApp? Don't worry. This guide will walk you through how to fix voice messages that won't play on your iPhone. First, ensure your iPhone isn't in silent mode. Flip the mute switch on the side to turn the ringer back on. Also, increase your volume using the side buttons while playing the voice message. If your phone is connected to a Bluetooth headset or speaker, the voice note might play there. Go to Settings, go to Bluetooth, and click on Disconnect Devices. Outdated versions of WhatsApp may cause audio glitches. Open the App Store, search for WhatsApp, and tap Update. A simple restart can reset background services. Press and hold on the side button and either volume button, then slide the power off. Turn it back on after a few seconds, and that's it. You should now be able to listen to voice notes on WhatsApp without any issues. And that's about it. If you guys enjoyed this video, or if this video helped you, don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you guys for watching, and see you guys in the next tutorial.